Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play a game which is called Press the Button. Apparently in this game, when you press the button you get money. Make sure to download it if you want it. If this game doesn't have any sound, that's awkward. Okay, let's write that. And guys, today I'm gonna end this video when I beat the town. Hey, money bank. There's like a money speed over here. And that's why I can sit right next to me. I'm not lying, guys. We have cats. And my money bag is going slow. So that's why I have to up my money speed. Oh my. Is that an ad? Okay. Oh my. You're making me fly. Ball one, yay. And guys, I have to upgrade this for now on. And this is great if I get in money. Strong? Oh my god. And of course, guys. And of course, guys. This is good. This is good. The greatest time. Oh my. No, I don't. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye. There's a whole of it. Just bye, guys. Bye. Say bye.